Hello student, this is Pratibha Singh again with you. Student, in this video we will learn our new topic, that is preposition, from our grammar section. So do you know what is preposition? Student, preposition is a word that places before noun and pronoun to show its relation with other word of the sentence. So student, let's start. A preposition is a word placed before noun and pronoun. Placed before a noun and a pronoun. To show its relation. To show its relation with some other words in the sentence. Have a look the definition again. A preposition is a word. It is a word placed before a noun and pronoun. It will be placed before a noun and pronoun to show its relation with other words in the sentence. For example, he is sitting under the tree. So he is your pronoun and tree is your noun, and your preposition is under, which show the relation between other words, which show the relation with noun and pronoun and with other words. The book is on the table. The book is on the table. So student, here on express relation between noun and pronoun, between noun and other words in the sentence. Now we will study preposition in detail. Firstly, we will read about the preposition which is show for expressing time. In, on, at, during, since, for, from are the examples. So let's start, student. Preposition of time. Firstly, we will read about at. At is used for a certain movement and time. Point of time. At 7 o'clock, at 9:30, at sunset, at dusk, at dawn. For example, I went there. I went my home. I went my home at 5 o'clock. Have a look. Next example. She reached here. She reached here at sunset. Sunset has a particular time. If you like to read newspaper, you can see the accurate time of sun rising and sunset also. There is a particular time for sun rising and sunset also. So have a look. The next point, that is in. In is used for a period of time. At is used for point of time, a certain moment, and in is used for period of time. For example, in the morning. So you can say that sunset, sun rising, morning are the same thing. No, there is a quite difference in sunset, morning time, evening time. In morning, evening time, 11 o'clock. So in the evening, in 2009, in 21st century, in summer, in winter, etc. For example, I went to Nainital in 2016. Have a look at another example. She was born in 2008. Now we will learn the uses of on for expressing time. Next point is on. On is used for particular day and date. On is used for particular day and date. On Monday, on Tuesday, on 10th of May, etc. For example, he goes to temple on Monday. He goes to temple on Monday. Here we have used on with day. The result will be declared on 11th March. Here we have used on with particular date. Now have a look the next use, that is the next preposition, that is during. During is used for something that occurs throughout a period of time. Have a look again. During is used for something occur or happen throughout the period of time, कि पूरे जो period of time है उसमें वो काम होता रहता है. जैसे for example, during summer holidays, during war, during corona pandemic, etc. Have a look example. During summer holidays, I have learned to play guitar. And the word during you can use in the starting or in the last of the sentence. He did not get fame during his lifetime. I hope you have understand. Now have a look the next preposition. Next is for or since. For and since. If you have seen the video of present perfect continuous, so you know very well what is the use, how to we use for or since for expressing time. For is used for period of time, and since is used for point of time. Since 4 o'clock, since 5 o'clock, since 6 o'clock, and period of time say for 4 years, 3 hours, etc. And for point of since is used for with point of time. Since Monday, since 2001, etc. Now the next is from. From is used to indicate at which something starts. From is used to indicate the time at which something starts. For example, she prayed from 7 o'clock or 7 o'clock a.m. to 8 o'clock a.m. means she has started her prayer from 7 o'clock. Have a look next example. He worked from Monday till evening. Means he had started his work from Monday and finished till evening.
Student, this is your homework and you have to do these 2 exercises in your English grammar copy. Before going through, have a look the instruction. Use at with specific time, hours, oblique minutes. Just like midday, midnight, 10:30, etc. Second, use at for a holiday period of 2 or more days. Next, use on for specific day on date. For example, Sunday, holiday, Christmas, etc. Next, use in for specific month, year, years, seasons, centuries, and the length of time, just like 2019, winter, summer, etc. Have a look the next exercise. A question of time. This exercise also you will do in your English grammar copy. If you are facing any type of problem, please text message, and if you are not able to see it properly, so I'm sending you that 2 exercise worksheet, on your WhatsApp number. And if you are facing any type of other problem regarding your English grammar or literature, please text message on my WhatsApp number without any hesitation. Till then, thank you and have a nice day.